Buckhead is home to some of the most prominent and wealthy citizens in Atlanta, but gang members also call the north side section of the city home.
The GBI director made that point in a briefing to city leaders to underscore the growth of organized gangs who have significant funds to fuel crime activity. Fox 5's Morris Diggs looks at the gang footprint in the city and in Georgia.
There are gangs and gang wannabes. All are a threat to you and a headache for law enforcement trying to track them. If you're a Buckhead resident, you may have neighbors that you would not knowingly invite to your dinner party. Gang members.
More like organized crime mafia dons like you would have watched on some of the TV shows we've all enjoyed in the past. These guys are living in Buckhead, in the Lenox area, in the high-rise condos, and driving some of the nicest cars in town and putting on airs like they're something they're not. But they're the guys calling the shots.
That comment made members of Mary Norwood's Public Safety Citizens Task Force sit up straight. The GBI special agent in charge, Ken Howard, outlined how the gang footprint in the state is larger and broader than people realize. When all 159 sheriffs were asked, they said gangs were their #1 threat.
You have to make them feel uncomfortable.
The GBI boss outlined 6 gang segments: international, Latin gangs, prison gangs, white Aryan gangs, black street gangs, and outlaw motorcycle groups. In the inner city in Atlanta, the California-based gangs are well entrenched, more potent than the old street groups that were based in the torn-down housing projects. Organizations established that manipulate the criminal justice system.
Older criminal street gang members, they utilize the younger ones, specifically juveniles, those of a juvenile age, to commit crimes of violence because they understand that they'll get a lighter sentence. And the way they entice the young kids to do that is by telling them, hey, you've got to make your rank. You've got to show yourself. You've got to prove yourself. And these kids buy into that.
Howard says the law enforcement and legal approach must be to create linkage that puts an organization in jeopardy through the state gang statute.
Whether that was the gun that they put in his hands to commit the crime, or it was the car they provided, or it was the resources to hide and flee from police after the crime. We want to hold all of those individuals responsible as a group and an organization.
And he cautioned against ivory tower thinking that gang bangers are just killing each other.
Those stray bullets that find homes where they weren't intended, and we have too many innocents. Remember the young girl that was killed there around Lenox Mall? That's not an anomaly. That's something we see quite often.
The GBI director says the 19-member gang task force is making headway, but it is early. They've been in business for about 2 years. One challenge, get more of the district attorneys around the state to use that gang statute. From Northeast Atlanta, I'm Morris Diggs, Fox 5 News.